How to download voice message on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download voice message on Instagram. So first thing, just head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner and then just click on hamburger icon over here, and once you click on here, just scroll down until you see the your activity option over here, and from over here what you need to do is once again scroll down and just find this download your information option. So once you do that, it will take you to this information option. So just tap on download information. If you are requesting it for the first time, there will be an option called request to download your information. So from over here you may need to choose from these two options. So you can either choose all available information or some of your information available. So let me just select on that one and make sure you have selected the right Instagram account. If you have multiple account from which you want to actually extract your messages, or so once you do that, just tap on messages since we only want messages. So once you do that, just click on next and just click on download to device, and then just click on create files, and after selecting your format, and your download information will be prepared and it will be downloaded, and they will be giving a mail to your particular provided Gmail as well. So once it get downloaded, you can view it from over there. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.